Bonjour friends and welcome to a new cozy and hygge vlog. This summer I headed back to northern Denmark where the charm of the countryside and the seaside never failed to enchant me. Every year I get so excited to visit my family in Denmark. It's like stepping into a fairy tale with a romantic atmosphere that makes every moment feel special. I love how time slows down and every moment invites you to breathe deeply and just be. It's the perfect place to romanticize the little things, find joy in the quiet, and savor the peace of an idyllic setting. We stay in a family member's house, which has become a second home to me. Every little corner brings back memories of the summers I used to spend in Denmark. Now, there's nothing more heartwarming than hearing my daughter's laughter as she plays in the magical place just like I used to. In the mornings, I love to step outside and soak in the surroundings. Whether it's a walk in the woods or lingering in the garden, I'm always transported to a world of peace, joy, and nostalgia. The light streaming through the windows, the expensive blue sky, it all adds to the magic. Even breakfast feels like a cherished memory, especially when we enjoy Danish wienerbrød, the classic pastry of my childhood. Right next to our cozy house is the charming town of Løkken. It used to be a fishing village but has now become a favorite tourist spot. We revisited the Løkkenberg Hotel, a restaurant we loved from last year. I had my all-time favorite drink, elderflower juice. For food, we all enjoyed place fish with chips and remoulade, another little taste of my childhood. If you ever visit Løkken, you have to check out Bonjour, a traditional sweet shop. Some days you can watch the workers making sweets. It's a show that kids and adults alike will love. They have so many flavors, but one of the most popular is lakrids, which is Danish for licorice. Løkken also has a beach, which is always windy. It's perfect for surfing, kite flying, and, if you're brave enough, taking a dip in the chilly water. One morning, after a cozy breakfast, we set off on a cycling trip. Cycling is such a big part of Danish culture and it's something we couldn't miss out on. The countryside here feels so safe and peaceful, making it a perfect ride. We visited Børglum Abbey, a 12th century abbey full of history. We started with a meal at the restaurant there, which served traditional and local dishes. We were so lucky to catch a little concert in the gallery, where they were also showcasing art by Thomas and Catherine Scriven's Eye. The paintings were so poetic and colorful. The abbey also has a museum that tells the history of Catholicism in Denmark and the story of the family who bought the place in the early 19th century. I couldn't help but be in awe of all the beautiful dresses, old clothes, and antique furniture. The way everything was set up really reminded me of Titanic. Can you see it too? Finally, I was really surprised to find an exhibit featuring a reproduction of the Bientôt tapestry. For those who don't know, the Bientôt tapestry is an almost 70-meter long embroidered cloth that tells the story of the events leading up to the Norman conquest of England. The original, made in the 11th century, is on display in a museum in Bayeux, France. Back in the city, we just had to stop for ice cream. It's become our daily little pleasure every summer holiday. That day, there was a flea market, and I was overjoyed. I absolutely love flea markets. There's such a fantastic way to fill your home with treasures and upcycle objects that might otherwise go to waste, which would be such a shame. I found some beautiful decorative plates at the market, each representing a different month of the year. I picked October, which is my birth month, January, my daughter's, and April, which I forgot to show, but it's my mother's birth month. The designs are by Bientôt, but I couldn't find out which year they were made. The dreamy atmosphere, the rustling trees, buzzing bees, and fresh countryside scent takes me back to childhood holidays. I remember biking through these landscapes, searching for trolls and fairies. It feels like living in a Ghibli film or walking in Lizzie Bennet's footsteps, surrounded by landscapes that inspire wonder and calm. A reminder to embrace the beauty around us and enjoy life's unhurried moments. Some days I love visiting the glassblower's atelier. Everything here is so delicate and beautiful. I didn't buy anything this time, but I hope to next year. On certain days, you can even watch the women working there as they create vases and other stunning pieces. On other days, I savor simple pleasures, a Danish pastry, a cup of tea, the beauty of flowers, and the warmth of morning light, each detail turning everyday life into a fairy tale. During my trip, I read Educated by Tara Westover, a gripping and inspiring memoir about overcoming extreme adversity through education. The untouched beauty of nature, the endless serene beaches, and the simplicity of life here truly nourish my soul. The endless opportunities to unwind in the garden, savor the seaside, feel the coastal breeze, and watch nature create moments of tranquility and wonder. Making northern Denmark a truly magical escape. I hope this vlog has brought you joy and sparked a desire to explore Denmark yourself one day. May it inspire you to experience the beauty and charm of this remarkable place firsthand. And remember, romanticizing life can open your heart to new experiences and bring a wealth of joy and fulfillment. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. À bientôt!